Someone asked a question, okay, which is very important discussion to understand, right? What is the question is, sir, in live environment, how the work of our team, how we will receive the work? This is what the question. Okay, maybe the question is not exactly this one, but this is the origin of that particular discussion. Okay, we are 10 people. Okay, so 10 people, ServiceNow team, ServiceNow support team. We will name our group as ServiceNow support team. Okay, now for for us, how the work will come? Will they all every time they will every time they will create stories, sir, directly to us? Or what about incidents and tasks, sir? Correct. Even if it is incident and a task, what kind of things it will come to us? How it will come? Okay. Now, I did we had this discussion, ma? Did I cover this discussion earlier? You remember?
Yes.
Yes.
No, sir.
No. No, sir.
Two yes first, three no. Yes or no? Okay. Let
No,
me
sir.
let
It's not.
let me put it in a different way. Okay. Let even if it is yes, even if it is no. Okay. If it is yes, na, if you are able to recollect it, then stop me because it will save our valuable time. We can jump into some important discussion. Okay. So very carefully notice here. Okay. This is anyway not needed. Okay. I will have few examples. Example number one. Okay. So I'll go here. Okay. So assignment group. When I select assignment group, I'm not seeing okay users here. Users are blank here. Let's say this is our okay. Let me put it in a different way. Okay. I will show you the error.
Mm-hmm.
Then why they are showing here? Give me a second, mom. Something is broken. Give me 1 second actually. That this is actually broken. Okay. I maybe removed it. But in your thing it will show. Correct. Correct. These members have ideal logo. Very good. Okay. Uh, let me put it in a different way. I don't know what is happening. Okay. Go to this form. Okay. So one person. Okay. Raised a ticket. Okay. So can't see incident application module. Okay. So this is incident, right? Second one created. Okay. Till yesterday it was working. First thing. Okay. Second thing. Okay. Need to have okay change management application access. Third thing. Okay. Create a new field on problem page. Right. Fourth one. Right. So same kind of requirements. Even we discussed it already. Okay. uh, Unable to create, unable to update incident application, incident record. Okay, so this is it comes like a task actually. Task we will see task in phase 3 very deeply, but for now task is also simple record. This is also task. Okay, and this is a again incident unable to update now, so they raised it as the incident, right? So two incidents, two tasks. Everyone understood, ma? Yes, everyone understood the requirements.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So you may ask a question here based on my understanding of your learning. Sir, incident I understood, sir, because this is broken. Till yesterday he was working, so today it stopped working. So it is incident she raised. Makes sense, sir. Okay. But what need to have a change management application access? Na? Why you marked as task, right? Can it be an incident? No. So incident definition is okay. Issue. This is issue, and this is also issue. Okay, but this is not an issue. Is that an issue? Just check and tell me. This and this is an issue. Are these two
No,
issues?
No, it's development.
Okay.
no.
They are not actually issues, they are request. Okay. The definition of incident is issue, something broken. Okay. So the task definition is request something. Okay. The second and third ones both are requesting something. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, right? So first one incident, one of the member took this incident, and what he will do is can't see incident application and module in incident table. This is what the incident. Maybe what he will do, ma, if you are the developer, you are the administrator, whatever the service number person. For this one, what you do? Tell me.
You check ITL rule for again first.
Yes.
You will go for
ITL rule.
first. You will go to the user record and then check whether this person have a ITL role or not. First thing. And here it mentioned like till yesterday I was having the thing. Today I stop. It stopped working. So maybe we need to understand. Okay, till yesterday he is part of any group. Maybe he is removed from that group where automatically the ITL role removed. Okay, that we need to understand, right? And after understanding it, we will get to know, okay, this guy was part of one of the group, and that manager removed him. Because of that, he lost the incident management application access with ITL role removal. So now we will tell him, okay, you raise a ticket to us for ITL access, or go and check with the manager who removed you. Simple, no? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. See, for this incident, we don't add him to ITL role. Remember it. Okay. Why I am telling this one is very important. You see only one corner. Sir, you know, na, this guy got removed from incident management application because ITL access removed. So we can add it, na? No. For group membership, there is a separate process. Correct? You need to know which group you need to. So we don't know, na, which group he is part of. That why that manager removed him. Do we know that reason? Are we understanding it, ma? Connection, you are understanding it. So one manager removed him from one of the group. Okay. So now he raised a ticket to us saying I lost it. Now we got to know the reason, technical reason we got to know. So my point is we don't add him to the role. First thing. Instead, what we do is we will tell him like you are part of this group. The group manager removed you from that group. So get it added to the group and then close the incident. Understand, ma?
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay. So and then close the incident. That's it. You don't do fulfillment here because that is a issue. That is what we found it, and then that's what the suggestion we can tell him. If we add him to the group where it will get you the ITL licenses, then we are violating the group membership policies. We don't know anything why the group manager removed him. Correct, na? Make sense, everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes.
Good. So now second thing. right? Unable to update the incident record. Same here. If he is not able to see means he is not able to even update it. Same ITL role is only needed. And he is the first time person. Yesterday only his account is created. Today he came up and then he says, okay, I have access. I can able to open the incident, but I am not able to update the incident. So we will tell incident management application access is not there. So we will tell him you should be part of any one of the group which are associated with role. So we will ask which group you belongs to. He will tell maybe I am belongs to maybe SAP team. Then get your manager and get your account added or raise a request to us. Okay, the request should be add my account to SAP group. We will do it. Here also we don't directly add him. Okay,
Some sort of information or email confirmation we need to add.
it's not about email confirmation again. We are telling him this is the issue, and to fix the issue, there is another process. You need to get ITL access. For to get ITL access, you should be part of a group. Which group we don't know. He needs to tell. So let's say he came up with a group name. Then that time also we don't tell him. We don't add to that group. With this incident. With this incident number, we don't add him to that group. We will ask him to raise a separate request to add him to a group or contact the group manager where he can add him. You are understanding my everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Are we understanding the process here? Because we think like, okay, ticket came, do it. No. If we start doing it now, tomorrow the group manager will come. This is I'm managing the group. Why you added him? Then who will answer the question? There is a process, no? There is a process that is defined perfectly, and we need to respect the process and follow the process. Two things, okay? Now, need to have change management application access. Okay, so it is not, see here, unable to update, it looks like an error. This one is a request. So he came up and then he created a task to us saying, I want a access. Now change management application we will try to see. Okay, is there any role? Right? We will check. We will see if is there any role for change management application. Yeah, ITIL, and then some change read. So now we will see. Okay, which is a good role. There will be a separate group for change management. Okay, ITL based change management role. So we will check and then directly add because it's a task. If you get a task, you can add it. If you get an incident, you should not add it. Understanding it, ma? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, okay, finally, create a new field on problem page. Okay, maybe some X field. It is also a request, correct? So, for this one, you go here, right? Problem page, open it, right? So, see here, adding a user to group. Okay, adding a user or informing him that and all general things. Adding a user to a group is not development. If you add a group, if you add a user to group, no, that is not a development. Okay, so it is just data. You just go and add it and then close the task or close the incident, whatever it is. But creating a new field in the table of problem, now you need to go right click configure. Okay, I'll go to the table and then create a new field, right? That is the development. Creating a field is a development? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
now for this task, we will create a story. Okay, and we'll create a story for this task and do the development means STLC lifecycle and close the story. Once the story is closed, then the task also will be closed. So we will associate this story to this task. So here we create a story for this work. This work. Sir, can we create? So that means do we create story for every task, sir? Do we create story for every task?
No, sir.
No. If it is needed a development work, then story is needed. This is also a task, but I just go and add him to a group. That is not a development. I'll directly go and check whether he is getting change management access by impersonating him, then close the task. There is nothing development, there is no update set. So not story required. But here field creation, okay, all these developments that we are learning, na tables, columns, dictionaries, everything, whatever you see from table creation onward. Anything that is related to development, story is needed. STLC process needs to be driven. Understood, my everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the question that you are expecting the answer, Nama. Whoever asked this question, am I right? Correct? Who asked this question? Someone asked this question. Did you get did you get the answer?
Yeah, sir. We only ask this question.
Huh.
But how it is tracking, sir? Means who will track this one, sir? How many instances we complete like that? If anyone
We as a lead, no, the leader will always monitor it. So what is the roles and responsibility of track leader or a team leader? He will directly every day check the queue. Okay, first thing what he will check is he will go and check what how many tickets came to this queue.
Sir, that is related to Jira board, no?
Jira board, nothing. If you use Jira, that is a different place where you track it. Even in ServiceNow, you can track it.
Oh, okay, okay,
Why I will
fine.
go for Jira ma, if we have ServiceNow? Correct. So, this respect to team lead will go and check the tickets every day morning, and then he will check all the incidents created, all the tasks created, and then he will assign these tickets to the respective team members. Then the team members will analyze it. Okay, so I am the team first team member, so I will just check it and then close the incident by updating that information. Same, I am the second developer. Okay, I will check the same thing, close the incident, and then put the respective details to him. Third one, I am the another developer. I will take this task, okay, and then the incident role or a problem role, whatever the role, I will just add him to the group, respective group, and then close the task. So I am the next developer. I took this task or assigned with this task. Then what I will do, I will create a story and then start developing it. Understanding it, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Fine. So this is how you get the work. The origin of your work is like this. Sometimes work also will come directly as a story. Okay, let's say your manager is involved with another BA or another business person. Okay, that person send a mail, I want this, and your manager didn't ask that ticket to be created. Generally, the best practice is if anyone comes to you and then say, I want this, we will immediately say, okay, create a ticket to us. But it don't work every time. What if team lead manager asked to do? Okay, our team lead, okay, means like let's say I am the team lead. My manager means our super boss. Your super boss asked to do something. Shall I ask him to create a task to me? Can we ask? No, no,
No.
we can't ask, na. So what I will do is I will create a story and then directly assign to any developer. Says please do it. Simple. Understanding it, my everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good. Fine. So now let's move to our next main discussion. But by the way, the discussion is clear, everyone. You all got that understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, on incident, we'll be troubleshooting, but we won't be doing any changes, uh,
Which?
fixing those issues.
Okay. So mm, we will do, ma. So let's say we did some work. It moved to production. Okay, users are start using it. Something is broken. They are using it and some functionality is not working in that same application. Okay. So they will
Mhm.
raise an incident. From that incident, you create a story.
Okay. Yeah.
That also happens. Okay. Why is because that incident the fix needed a story. The fix needed a development work. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So ticket can be anything, incident or a task, anything. Okay. So if you get anything like incident or a task, if that is needed a development work, story is needed. If that is not needed a development work, means story is not needed. Simple idea. Clear? Understanding, ma?
Yes. Sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, these tickets comes in the production environment,
Production.
or
Yes. Production is the only environment that we track the tickets
okay, and we need to create the story
in production.
in dev environment.
In
Acha,
production.
in production.
Okay, fine. So story related and all, I will again explain it later. Okay, what is the flow, what is story, okay, that and all. But we will just try to limit the discussion only till this point, okay, because it will go beyond. Okay, 1 hour it will take, right? I will take this discussion later. Okay, but for now, sir, how our work will come and what is the relation of story when we will create story? What is incident? What is task? At least in a some extent, because you are all going to be developers, right? I am only covering in my way, take an application and do it from scratch. But tomorrow when you join to a new project, how you get the work, how you when you create a story, when you don't create a story, how you understand the ticket, right? So those and all, this discussion can be helpful. Correct? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And moreover, now we are more people are jobless, no? So when you step into a project, these kind of things you automatically get it because you will be involved with some meetings. The when you joined every meeting they will include you, first thing. And second thing is you will be understanding the standards of the project, right? They will give you, okay, this is how, this is what we do, this is how we handle the things and all. Okay, only thing is now I am telling you are understanding na? So that time when someone tell you, you need to understand. That level of maturity is needed. So whatever I discussed today, everyone from our group understood, ma? Can I say yes?